Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And that you could, for example, have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time. Every kind of pleasure. And after several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, you can say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. Well, something's going to have to be that I don't know what it's going to be. Then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. Finally, you would dream where you are now. You would dream the dream of living the life that you are actually living today.
I just want you to come in.